Hi, I'm Dr. Goodman from DePorre Veterinary Hospital, and I would like to talk to you about dog wellness exams. A dog wellness exam is basically what it sounds like. We get your pet in and we check them out from head to toe. We will look at their teeth. We will look in their ears and eyes with scopes. We do listen to their heart and lungs with a stethoscope. And then we palpate them. We look at their skin, we feel their abdomen, lymph nodes, and try to make sure that everything feels normal. For most dogs, when they're younger, once a year is suffice, but as they do start to reach those middle and senior ages, then usually twice a year is a lot better for them so that we can stay ahead of any concerns and keep a close eye on them that they're staying healthy. If we find something abnormal, we obviously want to make sure we have a discussion with you about it, and we'll make a plan together on what we need to do. If we find signs of dental disease, then we're probably going to recommend that the dog comes back and gets a surgical procedure to clean the teeth and get dental x-rays taken. If we find a heart murmur, then we may suggest taking x-rays or considering going to see a specialist called a cardiologist. We also may need to decide if we find anything in the abdomen that we're not sure what's going on, then we probably would recommend lab work, potentially x-rays, and maybe even future ultrasounds. But our main concern is that we talk to you about it and we formulate a plan together and make sure we make the right decisions for your dog. At DePorre, we are fear-free certified, which means we are trying to keep your pet at ease. Sometimes we can do the examination in the room with you. You are welcome to bring the dog's favorite treats. Some dogs are more anxious and those tricks may not work, and we may need to prescribe some medicine before they come to see us. And that's just going to take their anxiety level down so that we can perform our exam and give our vaccinations without causing any undue stress. Other dogs may need help with nail trim trainings at home. And unfortunately, sometimes we do need to place muzzles on dogs. Those dogs may also need to be trained at home to get comfortable to the muzzle and realize that it's not a punishment, but it is something that just allows everyone to be safe in the exam room. So obviously our exams are tailored different for different life stages. Puppy exams are tailored more towards making sure there are no congenital issues, make sure they're growing well, and that we're discussing behavior changes, feeding schedules, and the vaccines that tailor into your lifestyle. Middle-age exams are more just keeping an eye on the dog as it ages and making sure that no problems come up that makes us be concerned. As they get more senior and geriatric, and that can tailor different for different breeds of what age that becomes, we may want to do blood work more frequently because we want to find a problem before it shows up as a clinical symptom so that we can keep them happy and healthy. We want to discuss issues that may be dementia or their mobility concerns, and we can kind of make sure that we keep your dog happy and healthy for as long as possible. Wellness exams are very important. We hope to see you guys here. You can call and make an appointment or schedule online now. And remember, the more often we see your pet, the longer we can keep them healthy.